This naturalrefrigerants.com article is being read by an automated voice. Copeland takes step toward public listing with confidential U.S. IPO filing by J.O. Haraldson, published November 28, 2025. U.S. component manufacturer Copeland, backed by the private equity firm Blackstone, has taken its first step toward public listing with the confidential filing of a proposed initial public offering with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. Previously, Copeland operated as a division of the global industrial technology and engineering giant Emerson. Blackstone's 2023 acquisition of a 60% majority stake in Emerson's climate technologies division led to the creation of the standalone company, valued at $14 billion, 13 billion euros. Emerson sold its remaining 40% stake in Copeland to Blackstone in June 2024. Since becoming a standalone company, we've increased our investments in R&D, said Copeland CEO Ross Schuster. We've launched over 120 new products to the marketplace and filed for 430 new patents. Taking a long-term view, we've helped Copeland lower costs, grow its manufacturing footprint, optimize pricing, and enhance employee engagement, said Seth Meisel, Senior Managing Director at Blackstone. A shared ownership program provides broad-based employee eligibility for equity-linked bonuses. Copeland produces products for commercial and industrial applications, including CO2 compressors and controls, small-scale propane compressors, and industrial-sized Vilter brand ammonia compressors. In fiscal year 2024, the company generated $4.75 billion, 4.12 billion euros, in revenue according to Copeland's 2025 Global Impact Report. What's next? With its IPO filing, Copeland plans to offer Class A common stock on a U.S. exchange. The number of shares and the price per share, although not yet determined, will be subject to the market and SEC review. As part of the filing, Copeland detailed the company's business description, ownership structure, financial statements, expected use of IPO proceeds, risk factors, and a preliminary share price. Copeland's formal IPO underwriter mandates could start in 2026, according to Bloomberg News, with Blackstone engaging several banks, including Morgan Stanley, Barclays, Goldman Sachs, and Jefferies. Recent accolade: Copeland's transcritical CO2 scroll compressor with dynamic vapor injection technology won the 2026 AHR Expo, International Air Conditioning, Heating, Refrigerating Exposition. Innovation Award in the refrigeration category. The event will take place February 2nd to 4th, 2026 in Las Vegas. The compressor, designed for medium-temperature distributed CO2 refrigeration, supports small supermarket and convenience store applications. Its ZTI model offers cooling capacities from 7.7 to 18.6 kilowatts, 2.2 to 5.3 tons of refrigeration. Various markets. Copeland's products cover numerous thermal applications. Vehicle HVAC manufacturer Aurora Netherlands uses Copeland's R290 scroll compressor in its dual secondary loop propane heat pump HVAC system for electric buses. In October, Copeland announced plans to acquire Sustainable Process Heat, a German company specializing in industrial-sized hydrocarbon high-temperature heat pumps. Under its Wittler brand, the manufacturer supplied a 1.5 megawatt, 426.5 tons of refrigeration, water-to-water ammonia heat pump to a Canadian dairy processing facility. Quotable: "It's different when everybody has skin in the game," said Paul Lundstrom, Copeland's CFO. With the shared ownership program, people throughout the company are identifying things that we should think differently about to harness the energy in the system.